and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $8,917 level. We are currently ranked at 247 with a market cap of about $296 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $46 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction, or basically the price prediction right here for April for YEARN finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So net, if we are considering the monthly percentage right here for last month, the month of March, net, we ended the month net or cumulatively net negative with about a 2% push to the downside right here for YFI. So what should we be expecting right here in April? I would be telling you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So before we go into technical analysis, just want to remind you of some very important information right here, which will give you better context. We are going to be seeing the Bitcoin halving happening this month of April right here. Just 17 days away to the Bitcoin halving, and this would affect a lot of altcoins, and I'll show you how. Usually, before the Bitcoin halving, we usually see the market right here. As you can see, this horizontal lines represent the several halvings that has happened. So usually before the Bitcoin halving, we usually see a push to the upside. After the Bitcoin halving, we usually see a correction. Same thing right here. The second halving, push to the upside. After the halving, we saw a mild correction. We ballooned to the top. Same thing in 2020. That's our third halving. We saw a push to the upside. After the halving, we saw some correction and then we ballooned to the upside, right? So we are expecting something close to that. That into the halving, we are going to see some little pump and then some sort of consolidation after the halving, and then we are going to balloon, right? So for YFI, what we should be expecting right here, the highest level we are expecting for YFI probably in April, that this is before the halving, should be around this level of the $12,300 levels, right? So currently we are at the 8,000 level. We could see prices push as high as a 38 or 39 to 40% pump to the upside right here for YFI, bringing YFI at around that $12,300 level, probably before the halving, where we see some sort of rejection and then we balloon to the top, right? But we are still bullish. We are still very extremely early and bullish right here on YFI. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.